Okay, inner WANDE is coming out. Let's go. Let's move on to the next one. Sarkodie. I dropped an album called JAMZ, which in Sarkodie nature, a lot of features, very heavy feature driven. I've always said Sarkodie has been able to survive, thrive more as an artist because he understands the landscape of the market he operates in. He's almost like an Olamide, but in a tree fashion. He makes a lot of pop records or commercially successful records by going with the formula that is safe. Even though Olamide doesn't do as much, Olamide is a lot more versatile artist. No, okay, there's a lot of differences with them. Obviously they still have the similarities, they're rappers, but Olamide does some singing. It is a lot more adventurous. But Sarkodie has kept it safe for most of his career, and he is where he is because sometimes he doesn't necessarily flip the script as much. But he's a rapper, and he's a rapper's rapper. He has done some moments where he sings. He has some moments, some off-putting moments. Like I remember from the Mary album. I think it's Mary. I think the song is Mary, where he's singing. For the most part, it's a high life song, and he does a good job. I think this is one of his biggest songs. Hey! Hey! Anyway, man, let's not get too deep. Sarkodie they sing sometimes, is basically what I'm saying. But for the most part, he doesn't. In recent times, at least. Like, this entire album was filled with features. Like, this entire project. It was a good project, too. Black Love. This was pre-pandemic. But, yeah. No pressure. Not my favorite project from him, honestly. But, yeah, this is a new one we have. JAMZ. I'm excited to get this one off. Oxlade is on it. Let's check out the Oxlade song. Let's go. She Bad. Because they have a track record of making bangers. So let's go. Off the cuff. We're straight drums into the beat. Alright. Question. Has Oxlade done Amapiano? Has he done Amapiano recently or ever? Has Oxlade been on an Amapiano beat? I don't think so. I don't remember. I don't associate Oxlade and Amapiano as often. Guys, help me from being correct. I don't think he has jumped on an Amapiano song before. Is that true? Is he singing true right there? Is Oxlade singing true? Okay, Oxlade. I don't wanna let go. Man, I chopped that banku for real. Next to me, it feels relief. Guys, sorry. Guys, help me. Has Oxlade been on a Amapiano song before? Is this the first Oxlade Amapiano song we're hearing? Let me know. I think it is. She bad, yeah, she bad. Yeah. She know what anybody cause she know she bad. She know what anybody cause she know she bad. Don't kill me cause... You guys already know our Sarkodie ad-libs. Let's keep the counter up. I wish I would have something there to count there's 5 ranges of Sarkodie ad-libs. There's nah. There's obredepon brother, of course. There's what? There's one last one. I know there are 5. There's 5 of them. What? Nah. I think, yeah, is the last one. It just goes on that one. I sound shaky, but it's a lot more smooth. But let's keep our counters for the ad-libs he drops. I always look forward to it on Sarkodie.
She got me working from 9 to 5. Show the you how they fantasize. Hey. Say me door when I'm not surprised. So beside me then I will pay, but I can't decide. You want have fun, make love. I hate parties, I hate clubs.
Come on.
Netflix whenever we link up. Wanna see your face anytime I wake up.
She know what anybody cause she know she bad. She want to kill me cause she know she bad.
I've been ocean and seas away. I've been waiting for this moment to see it today. And you left me outside, it's freezing cold. Now you're back, I got a couple of things to say.
Okay, I love this flow.
I got used to pay, and you used to say that you stole my heart, and I can't complain.
Yo! Whoa! Yo, Sarkodie, what's going on? Listen to that flow, man. I don't know. I had to cut it back. It's 5-minute song, but I love that verse. That melodic Sarkodie is hard. Like, oh man.
Right next to me, it feels really far.
Yo, they should drop a collab project. That would be dope. At this point. Okay, Inner One Day is coming out. Let's go. Hey. Yo, his one leg came out. His Inner One leg came out, bro. She bad. Yeah, she bad. Okay, it's 1 minute of production then. Bro, I'm excited about the Sarkodie album too, man. So there's so much to cover. Fire. Honestly, one of the favorites tonight. You guys are feeling this one heavy, 96%. I feel you. I'm with you on that one. That was crazy, man. Oxlade channeling his Inner One Day towards the end, obviously. Very strong and catchy vocals. Chorus on the vocals on the chorus, man. And then we're getting Sarkodie, who's been very, very melodic too and fun. That was cool to see, man. Obviously dropping them ad-libs and flowing nicely. I really, really appreciate the direction for this one. I don't think I've heard Oxlade on another Amapiano song before, so I think he might be popping his Amapiano cherry on this one 2 years into the genre's dominance in that space. So that's crazy.